What up, guys? What's going on? Today is Monday. This is before work. Gonna try to bleed the coolant. Kind of like made some stuff up. Not made some stuff up, but I grabbed like some stuff that was in the box or in the kit to see if I'll be able to bleed it and not leak. So as you guys seen, I was able to get more antifreeze. So yeah, I'm gonna go start it up and just bleed the car. Nothing too crazy, nothing much. Just wanted to bleed it. Make sure everything is good. Make sure the thermostat is good. Make sure it opens up, heat cycles, all of that stuff. So, yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. I haven't turned this bad boy on in so long. All that smoke. Shit burning so rich. Turn the fan off. Yeah, hold it idle for a little bit so she can stay idling, and then I'm gonna check out the cooler and everything, make sure everything is flowing good. Right, idle steady. So much condensation. Look at that. Bro. At least we know the motor's healthy, but it's throwing out so much black stuff from the exhaust. Now I'm actually gonna get some breakfast real quick, and then I'm gonna go to Napa to go pick up the clear. I needed to go pick up the clear. I don't have the clear yet. It's a 2K clear for the side skirts that I'm gonna be painting. Probably, I'm not sure. Maybe I don't really have anything to do to the car. I think this week. I'm debating if I should change the oil or not on the car. Again, I told you guys I changed the oil and I only driven it twice, and like the car turning on now, stuff like that. Which I think it's fine because I haven't even did anything. Like I'm not. It's gonna be stupid for me to change the oil when it's only been driven like that oil probably has maybe 15 miles, maybe 20 miles tops. I think that oil is perfectly fine. I don't think it'll do anything because I'm gonna be dropping that. I'm gonna drop that oil anyways once I come back from tuning. So but yeah, I don't really have anything else to do to the car. I believe I just gotta get like spark plugs and stuff like that, which I'm gonna get this week. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm all set. So I'll see you guys next time I pick up the camera. So see you guys right. What's going on, y'all? I know it's been a little bit. Well, I know it's been a while. I've been sick. The kid's been sick. I haven't even got to get a haircut. Today. You can tell on my voice. But yeah, we've been sick, so I haven't been able to do anything to the car. To be honest, I'm tuning. Next week I'm tuning. So I haven't got to like bleed the car properly, do anything like that because I've been so sick. The girl's been so sick. It's just this change of weather and everything is literally getting to everybody and getting everybody sick. So like I said, I haven't really been able to do anything. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take off the VTEC solenoid real quick, and I'm just gonna check it out, make sure everything is good on it, clean and stuff like that. Because yeah, I want to make sure everything is good. The car's like super dirty, so I gotta clean the car also. Not today. I have to actually be at work today. Right now it's 8 in the morning. I just dropped off my daughter's school. So what I'm doing for right now is I'm just gonna basically just take off the VTEC solenoid and then just go from there. Just make sure, the spring and the little squishy thing on top, the pin, everything is good. Make sure everything is good and clean. So I can have at least some peace of mind that's okay. So basically what I'm going to be taking off is just this VTEC solenoid. I just realized I got to get a rag too, to put a rag right here because it's going to be leaking oil. I can just take off the top too, but I just want to take it completely off just to clean it also again, make sure everything is good. But yeah, it's just these 3 bolts, and 1, 2, 3, and we're done. Alright, so that's the inside. But yeah, the mesh was still a tiny bit dirty. This here looks, there's oil up top, so clearly it's getting oil and stuff. I'm gonna pop this top off and just make sure everything looks good up there. So I just took the pin on everything. Still squishy, it's still good. This, I'm just buying a new gasket just to buy one. And then this, I believe, has a gasket, but I believe it's supposed to be like another little gasket inside that. I believe so. I'm gonna order that. Hopefully it comes this week. And I guess clean it up and I'll be good. A few days later, guys. Put in that corn. Gonna have ready for Saturday soon. That's a little bit of corn. What up, guys? It's a couple days later. I ended up not getting the gasket because these gaskets are fine. The only thing is, like I showed you guys, the other piece to the mesh on this one was like hanging, so it should be fine. I'm just gonna clean inside here, take all of this shit out, clean inside there, and then I'm just gonna respray because I'm pretty sure it's gonna get some paint taken off or whatever. So I'm gonna do that, and yeah, hopefully we should be good. All right, so painted the solenoid, put the gasket back on, put the mesh in between the little line where it goes. Looks good. Everything's tightened down. That's still, like I showed you guys before, that still squishes down. So I'm gonna put this back on the car. I'm not sure if I'm gonna bleed the car today. I gotta go to work, but I'm gonna put this on first and see how much time I have. All right, guys, so I wanted to show you this real quick while the car is, while I'm bleeding the car side. I got these lights right now from Boston, right? These things go from white to then it switches to like a white with a little bit of yellow tint and then full yellow tint. This thing is gonna look great on my car. So it's a little unboxing. I already put these the little ballasts and stuff together. Dude, like you guys can see, that's just the cover that goes on it, but it's yellow and it goes from yellow to white. Dude, these are gonna look so sick on the car. So I'm gonna bring these out real quick and I'm going to see if I can install them now. The thing is that it's nighttime outside. It gets super dark at like 4:30 and I'm still at work at that time. So I got home now, it's 5:30 and it's completely dark. So I'm gonna try to see if I can install these real quick. If not, then I'll do them tomorrow or Friday. The car right now is outside being bled, or trying to right now. I'm trying to bleed the system. This is my O2 sensor, so I'm gonna go outside and let's see what we can do. As you guys can see, it's already nighttime outside, completely dark. Just my headlights are on, so let's see if I can install these. It's working, it's good, it's good. It's not. So basically what I ended up doing is I took the fan fuse out, which is the one right here. So if you take that one out, the ECU won't let it turn on. And like I told you guys before, the ECU was telling the fan to turn on. So without that, the fan can't turn on, but I have a switch. So the switch, I can just do it by hand now. So I let it get too hot, it's at 215, so I turned it off, turned the fan on, put the heat on, let all the heat come out. Then I'm gonna continue to bleed the system. Guys, so I just installed the lights. That's one of the features right there. Dude, that fucking yellow light, dude, what? Bro, can you load this? Bro, so it changes. That's regular. That's a regular all white LED. This one right here, changes color. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick the colors that it changes. So I'm gonna just zip tie the stuff back here. Well, you guys can't really see because it's dark, but I put the ballast and stuff back here. So I'm gonna zip tie it so it doesn't move. I'm gonna show you the modes that this thing has. So every time you click the light on and off, it changes colors. Bro, I'm so excited for this. All right, guys, so that's the yellow. You guys can see that's how it looks. I'm gonna come here. Maybe you can see it better now. I'm gonna come here, turn the lights off, turn it back on. They're white. Bro. They're literally normal white. See that? Normal white. I'm gonna come back here. Off. On. Now they got a yellow, white, with a yellowish tint to it. You guys can see. White with a yellowish tint to it. Perfect right there. Then come here, turn it off and on, full yellow, which I fucking love. That with the yellow engine bay, dude, yellow tire letters, like, that's gonna look so good while rolling. Oh man, look at that. I'm gonna link their products and everything down below in the description. I'm gonna put this one on and show you guys how they both look. Dude, I'm so happy. So this is dumb. It's hard to pick it up with the iPhone because it's at nighttime, whatever, but there's both of them on. That's perfect. So both of them on and yellow. Bro, you can see literally perfect with those. Oh man, this thing looks so good. Definitely I'm using these yellow lights. So again, yellow, turn off, both white. Turn off, white with a little bit of yellow, and fully yellow. Don't mind all this leaves. I literally cleaned this like probably 4 days ago, and this tree is just knocking everything off. But yeah, so I'm gonna put their link to their website and everything down below, and shout out to the so you guys can go get yourself a set because these are definitely a must. Hey guys, so I'm gonna end up closing out the video here. I know it's been a long time. I've been really sick and stuff like that, so feeling a lot better. The car's bled, lights are on, filled up with coolant, got my spark plugs, got my gas, got my E85 back there that you guys seen. Tomorrow I'm gonna come. It says it's gonna rain, but I'm gonna come tomorrow and try to even if it's raining, I'm just gonna wash this dirt off this car. And yeah, Saturday we go tune. Wish me luck. Hopefully VTEC is working. Remember guys, like, comment, subscribe. It really does a lot for my videos, a lot for my channel. I really need that support from you guys. Built to enjoy. Thank you guys again for watching. Peace out.